Tailor shot and succumbed to his injuries in downtown Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 51-year-old Tailor was shot dead by a gunman in downtown Kingston this afternoon. It is reported that at around 2:50 p.m., Winston Ellis was at his business establishment on Fleet Street when men entered and shot him several times before escaping. He was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.